Will the public charge rule affect my family's I-485 approval? Imagine this. You are filling out your green card application and hear about the public charge rule. You might wonder if using certain benefits could cause problems. That's a common concern for many families. Let's break down what you need to know to stay confident and prepared. The public charge rule is part of U.S. immigration law that helps decide if someone applying for a green card might become mainly dependent on government support in the future. If the officer thinks this is likely, they can deny the application. But it's important to understand what this really means for your family. The rule mainly applies to people applying for a green card through family, work, or other specific categories. It does not affect refugees, asylees, people with temporary protected status, or those applying for U.S. citizenship or renewing their green card. Most Latino families applying for adjustment of status should pay attention, but not worry too much. When it comes to benefits, only certain types are considered in the public charge test. Cash assistance like supplemental security income, temporary assistance for needy families, and general assistance are counted. Medicaid for long-term care in nursing homes or similar facilities is also included. However, most health care programs, food stamps, and housing assistance like Medi-Cal, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, and Section 8 housing are not counted. Emergency help after a fire or natural disaster is also safe to use. During the review, the officer looks at your whole situation. They consider your age, health, family size, income, education, and job skills. They also check if a family member has signed an affidavit of support. This is a legal promise from a sponsor to support you financially. It's a key part of most family-based green card applications. Having a low income does not automatically mean your case will be denied, especially if you have a sponsor who promises to support you. Many families worry that using any government help could hurt their chances. But most common benefits do not count against you. If you qualify for health care, food, or housing programs, it is safe to use them. Emergency help after a disaster is also safe. If you are unsure whether a benefit might affect your case, talk to a trusted legal advisor or community organization. They can help you understand your rights and options. When filling out Form I-485, answer all questions honestly. The form asks about your financial situation and benefits received. If you have used benefits that are not counted in the public charge test, this should not hurt your case. If you have used benefits that are counted, you may need to explain your situation. A legal expert can help you prepare your application and answer questions. Some families hear rumors or scary stories about the public charge rule. The current rules are clearer and more protective than in the past. Most families should not be afraid to use the help they need. The goal is to support families and ensure new immigrants can support themselves in the long run. If you are applying for a green card and worry about the public charge rule, remember most families will not be affected by using common benefits. Focus on gathering your documents, getting help if needed, and filling out your forms carefully. There are many community groups and legal services ready to assist you. In the end, the public charge rule can affect your family's I-485 approval in specific situations. Most families using health, food, or housing programs are not at risk. Always get the facts, ask for help if you are unsure, and do not let fear stop you from getting the support your family needs.